This is Tier 3, Lesson 3 on exponential growth. For exponential growth, I'm going to just give you a blank space. I normally give you all the notes and you just kind of fill things in, but it's now up to you to figure out and write down what's important. In college, they're not going to give you guided notes. They might, but typically they don't, and it's up to you to take notes. If you're ever in a meeting where you have a job, it's up to you to figure out what's important and needs to be written down and what's not important. So I'm going to go through this example. You write down what you think is important. So in 2007, Taco Bell had 200 stores in Ohio. The number of stores is increasing by 3% each year. How many stores will they have in Ohio in 2020? Well, remember we have our exponential growth equation, our y equals a times b to the x. We initially had 200 stores, so this is going to be our a. The number of stores is increasing by 3% each year. Then remember we had our growth rate, b, was 1 plus the rate, which was 1 plus 0.03, which is 1.03. And it happens each year, so we don't have to worry about anything else. So we could say x is years. Now the weird thing about this one is that it's in 2007, we had 200 stores, and we're asking for 2020. So the number of years is going to be 2020 minus 2007, because that's going to be how many more years and how many years that we accumulate this 3% growth. So this is 13 years. So I'm going to use my equation, y equals 200 stores times 1.03 to the 13th. And I'm going to use my calculator. So we get 293.7 stores. And if we want to be conservative, we would round that to 293. But if we wanted to round officially like we would normally round, 294. Because we can't have 0.7 of a store. So there's a nice little way to do that. The difference here is you got to look at years, and you need to remember this formula and apply it.